I walk into the cafe. I walk into the cafe. I hold the door open. I hold the door open. I look around for the counter. I look around for the counter. I read the menu carefully. I read the menu carefully. I decide what to order. I decide what to order. I wait in line patiently. I wait in line patiently. I order a hot latte. I order a hot latte. I ask for a medium size. I ask for a medium size. I ask for extra foam and sugar. I ask for extra foam and sugar. I order a chocolate muffin. I order a chocolate muffin. I pay with my card. I pay with my card. I take my receipt. I take my receipt. I move to the pickup counter. I move to the pickup counter.
Emma!
I hear my name being called.
Emma!
I hear my name being called. I pick up my coffee. I pick up my coffee. I put a lid on my coffee. I put a lid on my coffee. I grab a paper napkin. I grab a paper napkin. I find a seat by the window. I find a seat by the window. I stir my coffee. I stir my coffee. I take my first sip. I take my first sip.